The following is a Mayers Rack Conveyor Dishwasher operation video. First of all, pre-wash the deselected tableware and put them in the special dishwashing basket. Then push the basket to the entrance of a dishwasher. The conveyor belt will automatically send the tableware to the wash, rinsing, and disinfect function area until you see the tableware coming out and exit the workbench. Rack Conveyor Dishwasher is suitable for the medium-sized restaurants, hotels, and contains with 400 to 800 people. With advantages of flexible tableware placement, small size, low power, saving labor and water, portable movement. It is equipped with large water tank, saves more than 70% of water consumption compared with manual dishwashing by high-pressure cyclic running water. The about 60 centigrade high-temperature water will sink the tableware in high pressure, in 360 degrees without dead angle through spray hole, which effectively removes all the stains into place and ensures the tableware cleanliness. The 100 centigrade high-temperature water will singe and disinfect the tableware, which kills the bacteria up to 100%. The sterilization speed is much higher than disinfection cabinet, which effectively ensure the hygiene and the safety of the tableware. Now we can clearly see the place in the basket and have been washed as clean as new. It only takes 1 minute to complete the cleaning, rinsing, disinfecting, and drying process of the whole basket of the tableware, which is cleaner, faster, and more hygiene than manual dishwashing. Mayers dishwashers are your best choice for keeping your dishes clean, eating healthy, and saving labor and water cost.